Hi, welcome to Cartridges. In front of me Epson XP-6100 and now I'm gonna show you how to change cartridges on this device. Firstly, we need to remove old cartridges. So I have new cartridges, I don't need to change it, but I wanna show you how to do that. So here on the left side of your printer or on the right side you have the place to open the cover, not the lid of scanner, but the cover. Cool. So here inside we have the ink cartridges. So here, as you can see, we have cyan, we have black for color printing, and we have red, yellow, and black for normal printing. Okay, so then to change the cartridges, we should open settings, then find here printer settings, paper source setting. Oh, maybe not here, so sorry. We need to find supply status, and here choose replace ink cartridges. Click OK, then click next and start. And afterwards wait for it. Cool. And now we can just remove the supplies from our printer. It's very easy to do. You just need to press on these blue buttons, and now we can remove all of them. As you can see, it's very easy to do. And to insert them all, so you need to press on it until you hear the click. And cool, now as you can see we can't remove it. And to remove it, so just press on this blue button. Cool. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.